Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and in this video, we will recap last week's stock market action and discuss our game plan for this week. But before we dive in, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of our ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from Insider Financial. We don't run any Telegram groups, Discords, or paid subscription services whatsoever. Well, guys, the major market averages were able to close out Friday's trading session well into the green and push up to new record highs as investors fought through a stronger than expected non-farm payrolls report and rallied through stellar earnings and guidance from market heavyweights Meta Platforms and Amazon. Meta was up 20% on the day, biggest market cap jump in one day in history. Amazon was up almost 8%. Apple was up just 0.5% as it disappointed. The earnings out of China were a little bit weak, and it just really contributed to the Nasdaq was up almost 1.7%. As I said, S&P up 1%, but the Russell 2000 continues to be a laggard. It was down 0.5%, and that's what's hurting us if you are a small cap trader. Small caps right now are weak. We'll talk about this a little bit more in the latter part of the video, but again, it's a lot of one and done. So you got to be really focused more on the pre-market gainers, looking for breakouts, trade them, get in, get out, make that money. This is not a buy and hold type of market when it comes to small caps, at least. If you look at what's going on in the big, Magnificent Seven, I mean, NVDA new highs, just an absolute beast. Meta, Microsoft, instead of the Magnificent Seven, they're calling them MINM. Meta, NVIDIA, and Microsoft. These are the three big runners. You got to add Amazon with the breakout earnings. So I think they got to come up with a new acronym. But Apple, Tesla, and Google right now are lagging in terms of the Magnificent Seven. Those three are the weakest. January's non-farm payrolls report came in stronger than expected, with the payrolls arriving up 353,000 versus the 170,000 gain expected, and 333,000 prior, revised from up 216,000. Moreover, the unemployment rate was 3.7% compared to the anticipated 3.8%. And speaking of the IWM, this is what I'm talking about here. You look, it's formed a wedge here. We're going to make or break here. Really needs to close above 200. We get above 200, this thing can really, really run. If you look at the longer term chart, I mean, this was back in 2021, we hit just above 240, and just multiple bottom right here off the 160. Really, if you just draw this trend line right here, this is what I'm talking about: 200, 160. We need to break out of there, and then we'll go back and test the high. So that's what we're watching when it comes to small caps. In terms of runners, there was just a handful of runners last week. MINM was up 202% for the week, but again, if you look here, it broke out through here, and this is was red day. So if you were day trading this, tough to make money on MINM. NEXI was up 135%, but again, way off the highs. Hit over 28 on Wednesday, and then pull back here to 1260. So again, it's a tough market, guys. Anybody that's telling you otherwise, that they're just full of BS. It's very, very difficult market right now. For this week, Monday, notable companies due to report include McDonald's, Caterpillar, VRTX, Vertex Pharmaceuticals, Tyson Foods, NXP Semiconductors, and Estee Lauder. We're also going to get Fed speak now that we had the FOMC last week. which was just a non-event. Powell really didn't have much to say, and the market sold off initially, but then we rallied, as you saw on Friday, new highs. On Monday, Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic will give welcome remarks before the virtual Uneven Outcomes in the Labor Market conference hosted by the Fed Board of Governors. On Tuesday, notable companies due to report include Eli Lilly, Toyota, Centene, AMZN, Ford Motor, and BP. Options trading implies large share price moves for Snap, Elf Beauty, and Spotify Technology. Snap is one I have on my radar screen. Look at this. I mean, this thing is right up here near the highs. We're forming a wedge. We're going to make it's going to make a big move one way or another. This has been a big mover after earnings each time, so I'll be watching this one closely. Next week, SNAP, going to be some opportunities in terms of trading options as well. On Wednesday, notable companies due to report include Alibaba, CVS Health, Fox, McKesson, Disney. That one's going to be a big mover. Disney will be closely watched. Uber, PayPal, and Spirit Airlines. Options trading implies double-digit share price moves for ARM Holdings and Roblox, RBLX, after the reports. Then Richmond Fed President Tom Barkin to participate in conversation before the Economic Club of Washington, D.C. Spirit Airlines, the conference call on Q4 results at 10 a.m. will be closely watched. On Thursday, notable companies due to report include Capri Holdings, ConocoPhillips, Philip Morris, Duke Energy, Expedia, Take-Two Interactive, Tapestry, Pinterest, Pins, and Kenvue. Options trading implies large, sharp share price moves after they report. On Friday, notable companies due to report include PepsiCo, Newell Brands, and AMC Networks, AMCX. It is the last trading day before the Chinese New Year begins. The extended holiday could be a boost for Macau-related stocks such as Melco Resorts and Entertainment, MLCO, MGM, Las Vegas Sands, and Wynn Resorts. And then we get the Super Bowl buzz will be hitting a peak, which could mean some extra attention for sports betting stocks such as DraftKings, MGM Resorts, and Flutter Entertainment, which is in recent IPO. FLUT just started trading on Monday. Let's see where it closed. 216. I could have bought it on 210 on 202 on Monday after it started trading. So that was actually yeah, here it is. Flutter Entertainment. This was when it started trading. Yep, right here, Thursday. And then, oh, here it is. Where did we get the close? Yeah, closed 205.50. Again, probably going to run it up ahead of the Super Bowl. Buy the rumors, sell the news is typically how these types of stocks play. In terms of stocks that I am watching in terms of small caps, the number one new watcher is REBN, Reborn Coffee. I have this one on my watch list for Monday. Closed at 409 on Friday, trading 420 in the after hours. Has just a 4.42 million share float. It says here a small short percentage short float, but I think that's higher. I'll be watching that on Monday. It has a target price of $16 from analysts. 52-week range is 209 to 920. We're way off the highs here. In terms of resistance, we're going to be looking here. Look at the 50-day. We're right above right now the 50-day of 396, and then the 200-day is 507. So we're here at 409. 507 is our next target. Above there, we're going to go towards the 632 pivot high. So be watching this one on Monday. News was on last month. The company closed a $1 million private placement equity investment from its chairman. Company is looking at international expansion into Dubai. I think this one is one to have on your radar screen. You look at this multiple bottom right here. What can't go lower must go higher. Nice coming off that multiple bottom. Chart looks primed for a major move. Going to have REBN on our watch list. I will also of course be scanning pre-market. If I see anything new to add, I will let subscribers know. That's why it's so important to sign up, and it's it's completely free, guys. Also on REBN, in terms of the players, a couple of guys that we shout out to: Stocks Rockman. He's been all over. We've gotten quite a few runners from him. Parabellum Wick, Return of the Max. A couple of guys that we follow on Stocktwits are all over this one this weekend. So highly suggest you take a look at REBN again to start the new trading week. And here at Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. And remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.